slow-moving wall of water is moving across Androscoggin and Kennebec County this evening. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for clicking on to tonight's Weather Extra. I'm recording this right around 7 o'clock or so, and it's ever so slowly drifting down toward the mid-coast. Here's Doppler HD. Notice that heavy rainfall moving north of the Lewiston area, Turner, Greene, Livermore. Those of you in the Buckfield area in Oxford County, you're involved in this as well, and portions of Kennebec County just to the west of you in Augusta right now. So incredible rainfall rates approaching 1 to 3 inches per hour. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning. If you have any pictures of any flash flooding and you think it's safe to take these pictures, I'd love to see them. You can post them here on Facebook or Twitter. Again, that flash flood warning remains in effect until 9 o'clock tonight. Fair amount of lightning associated with these as well. 1,900 lightning strikes, and again, I'm recording this around 7 o'clock this evening. Flash flood warnings, areas in the red. Notice there's one in Oxford County, Androscoggin County, southern Franklin County, and Kennebec County. Another flash flood warning, the red over Somerset County. This is an urban and small stream flood advisory in the darker shade in green right there, and the rest of the area in the lighter shade of green, we have a flash flood watch out, and that remains in effect until midnight tonight. All right, here's the overall weather pattern here. Going forward, the big story is going to be the heat. It's hard to imagine after yesterday's weather with temps in the 50s and 60s and the cool, wet rock conditions. Now we're flipping the switch. Summer has returned. High pressure is going to remain anchored offshore. We call this the Big Bermuda High. You get that clockwise rotation around high pressure that pumps in a southwesterly wind. With a southwest wind, that will continue to bring in warmer temps. So tomorrow, I think we're in the 80s to near 90 degrees for a high temperature, and I think we're near 90 for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and possibly Monday as well. So the heat is on. The humidity will be on the increase as well. I think the heat and humidity will lead my headlines going forward. All right, storm tracker into tomorrow morning. After all, tomorrow is July 4th. Let's pinpoint how the day is going to play out. If you wake up to any early morning fog, it's going to burn off pretty quickly. Temps will be starting near 70 degrees. Notice temperatures quickly surging into the 80s and lower 90s. Also notice a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Greatest threat will be over inland areas. This storm tracker is run off of a model we run in-house called Microcast. It's a 6-kilometer model, and this model is insistent upon bringing in a feeble sea breeze at the coastline. Regardless if we get it or not, we're going to see temps in the 80s, possibly near 90 degrees if we can hold on to a true southwest wind tomorrow. All right, storm tracker is going to take us into tomorrow night. Notice how the threat for any thunderstorms will diminish as we lose the daytime heating. I would say there's probably a 20% risk for a thunderstorm tomorrow night around 9 o'clock, getting ready for the fireworks. But I think we're going to get them off. Skies should be partly cloudy. Given the wind direction, I don't think fog will be an issue. Temps should be in the lower to mid-70s, probably mid-70s right around the 9 o'clock hour. Storm tracker is going to take us into Friday now. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, almost a carbon copy, if anything, a few degrees warmer. I think we're near 90 degrees for a high temperature. Chance for an afternoon thunderstorm, and we'll do it again on Saturday. All right, let's break down your Independence Day for you. 9 o'clock, we're out of the gates with some sunshine. If you have any early morning fog, it will burn off pretty quickly. Chance for afternoon showers and thunderstorms. That threat is greatest away from the coastline, and just the nature of these, if you get one, it's probably not going to last very long, and not every town's going to get one, but we'll keep an eye to the sky. If any severe thunderstorm warnings are issued, we'll let you know about them here. 9 o'clock, we're getting ready for the fireworks in Portland. In fact, many communities around the state. I think we'll have partly cloudy skies in place. If everything works out, the threat for thunderstorms will be diminishing right around that time frame, probably the early to late evening hours. Fireworks forecast again, it's a warm summer night with temps in the 70s, probably about a 20% risk for a thunderstorm. Should be a pleasant evening and a warm evening, and it's going to be a muggy evening as well. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. There's the lightning. We already saw that. All right, tomorrow I think we're in the mid to upper 80s at the coastline. Watch for feeble sea breeze during the afternoon, especially along the mid-coast. We're near 90 for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and again on Monday. Chance for a thunderstorm pretty much each afternoon. Inland areas, there's the potential you head for a 5-day heat wave here. Showers and thunderstorms will become more numerous during the first and middle part of next week. So finally, summer has arrived. Enjoy it. Hopefully we can keep it for a while here. Have a safe and happy Independence Day. I'll have an update coming up on News 13 at 11 and another update on the web here coming up tomorrow.